Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn with me. Today we are going to start a new course. We will be starting about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then eventually we will be moving to React. So what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript? So we have a website here first of all to display what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is basically the structure of a website. It builds the items, the characters, the headers, the pictures, the buttons. That's HTML. While CSS is styling and JSS is functions. So first of all, let's show you this website. A beautiful website made by a gentleman called Muzammil. Okay, so we have HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And now when you play it, we will take each file out to show you guys what's the difference. As you can see, you can click About Me, Services, Gallery and Contact Me. Every single page is beautifully designed and it's functioning well. Now let's bring the code down. Let's say, for example, we take the CSS out and we save it. As you can see, there is images, there is lines, there is the button and it is working. There is icons, but it is not beautiful. It is not aligned perfectly. It's not styled. So we have basically CSS is styling. After that, let's take out HTML. As you can see, it's nothing. Because HTML is a basic structure, it's a basic skull, it's a basic blueprint of the website. It is necessary. Now it's all there. Now let's say we want to take out JavaScript. Now we save it. There is no difference, right? There is. Let's say, for example, you cannot scroll. You cannot click the buttons. You cannot do functional things. So we have known HTML is for structure, CSS is for styling, while JavaScript is for actions, functions and that all. So to actually start making websites, we have to download Visual Studio Code. You can code every single language in this thing. It's very important. Every single developer should know it. So let's just download this for Windows. You have Mac, you download it for Mac. You download it, you set it up and let's meet again. So when you enter Visual Studio Code, you will be greeted with this screen. So we have to make a couple of tweaks and then I'm going to start teaching you guys how to make the code. First of all, go to Settings. We go to Extensions. Here we will add some extensions. Here we can add, first of all, we will add live server. Because whenever we are changing something on our website, we want it to be seen in the live server. We want it prettier. To make the code prettier, it is very important because whenever you are writing, for example, React code, it takes 1,000 lines. It takes 1,000 lines. After that, we have material. It shows the icon of each file. You will understand, for example, as you can see. Here you can change the theme according to your perspective, whatever you like. You want it dark, you want it light. We're going to take out the extension. We're going to say Open Folder. Here you have a directory. Here you can make whatever folders you want. So we will make here, let's say, Web Dev Course. Here we will be adding our profile. Here we will be adding our files. As you can see, there is something called new file. And we have one more icon to add new file, which is this. Here we're going to say index.html. Why we said index, we're going to talk about it more. But .html is very important because it tells the file that it is .html. Then we're going to say, and then we're going to put exclamation mark. It's a shortcut in Visual Studio Code. And it will give you a template, a boilerplate for HTML. As you can see above, there's a white dot. This means it's not saved. So we're going to save it. And then we are going to, and for now you don't have to understand anything. I'm going to explain each and every single thing. Right now, let's just put a text like and subscribe between body and body. There's a opening tag and a closing tag of body. We're going to save it by Control S and we're going to open it in live server to see changes. It will directly open our website for you, as you can see, like and subscribe. So let's add a styles.css file. Again, you don't have to know everything right now. I'm just giving you an overview and eventually you will understand what it means when I will teach you step by step. And you have script.js. So basically, these are the three components of making an ideal website. A static website that does not change like Netflix. You don't have to know about that as well. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will continue this journey with us about web dev. Please add the playlist to your playlists. If you enjoyed or learned something, make sure to like and subscribe. and see you guys in the next one.